The City 2 Plus electric wheelchair is designed for convenience with its simple folding mechanism, transforming into a compact form similar to a suitcase for easy storage and travel. With an impressive weight capacity of 395 pounds, this electric wheelchair stands out for its strength and durability, ensuring long-term reliability. Engineered with 12-inch rear wheels and non-puncture tires, the City 2 Plus excels in providing a smooth ride across various terrains, including hills and uneven surfaces. Equipped with two high-power, brushless electric motors, this wheelchair offers a robust and powerful performance, allowing users to navigate obstacles effortlessly. The innovative design includes two batteries that provide a travel range of 15.5 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for extended use without frequent recharging. The City 2 Plus arrives fully assembled and ready to use, with intuitive joystick controls that make it easy for anyone to maneuver right out of the box.